Tired of the same old car gadgets? Buckle up, because today we're diving into some seriously cool and sometimes downright quirky car tech. From turbocharging your throttle response to unlocking full-blown superhero senses. At this point, everyone is sick and tired of messy wires and switches in their car. That's where the Auxbeam switch panel comes in. Your rig gets a command center straight out of the Mandalorian. This isn't just a switch box. It's a smart control hub for your lights, winch, air compressor, or basically anything electrical in your off-road beast, truck, or camper. Clean, customizable, and stupidly easy to install. You get between 8 and 12 programmable switches depending on how you set it up, all in a sleek touch panel with LED lighting. The backlight colors are totally customizable, so you can match your car's interior vibe or just show off with some RGB flair. It even remembers your last setup thanks to its memory function. With built-in relays and fuses, it means fewer wires, less clutter, and zero headaches. You can control everything right from the panel or from your phone since it has Bluetooth. Plus, it's super flexible with universal mounting options. Dash, roof, wherever you want it. Whether you're building a rig for overlanding, trail running, or just want to feel like you're piloting a spaceship on your morning commute, this switch panel is the control system you didn't know you needed. It's not a mod, it's an upgrade. Just try taking a nap in a truck cab and you'll end up looking like a pretzel. Yeah, no thanks. The Trucksnoozer turns any day cab into a comfortable spot for a proper power nap. This clever hammock stretches right across your truck's cab in under 10 seconds. Just hook it over the doors and boom, instant chill zone. No more awkwardly curling up on the seats or kicking your feet on the dash like a lost puppy. Whether you're stuck in traffic or just wiped out, this hammock turns your cab into a cozy nap spot. Easy to set up, super comfy, and totally practical. Seriously, every day cab truck deserves one, because naps are way better when you're not pretending you're some jaded ballerina. SNAP&GO is a tough, magnetic Bluetooth speaker that doubles as a solar charger, car jump starter, heater, power bank, emergency beacon, and more, all packed into one sleek, yacht-style device. Charge it up with solar power, over 1,500 milliamp-hours per day under sunlight, so you're never powerless outdoors. Need a quick car jump? Its 6,000 milliamp-hour battery packs an 800-amp punch to revive gas cars, hybrids, and motorcycles safely with anti-spark clamps. Feeling chilly? Flip on the 30-watt heating wire to light a campfire or dry your gear. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof and dustproof, built to brave any weather. Bonus, the LED beacon and car indicator keep you visible and safe, even letting you warn pedestrians with a steering wheel-mounted button. Oh, and connect 2 speakers for epic surround sound when you want a vibe. Basically, SNAP&GO is the Swiss Army knife of outdoor tech, only cooler, louder, and way smarter. Adventure ready? Check. Survival ready? Double check. Just don't try to call it a speaker, it's your new best friend. Ever struggle to get a proper drink on the road or at camp? The VAAST G series, 18-liter water tank, is a versatile solution designed for efficient and reliable water storage on the go. Designed by explorers for explorers, this tough tank holds 18 liters of H2O and is built to last forever with its super durable rotomolded shell. It's got an auto breather and a quick connect tap that gives you fast, full flow right to the bottom. No awkward lifting or tipping needed. Plus, it mounts just about anywhere, whether on your roof rack or tray, and pops off quickly when you want to refill or take it camping. So, if you like your water fresh, your adventures hassle-free, and your gear built tough, this tank's got your back. Hydration just got way easier. Money doesn't grow on trees, but the electric bill keeps growing. Want to juice up your EV while you drive or park? Here's DartSolar, the roof rack that harnesses solar energy to give your car extra mileage. A solar-powered roof rack that charges your electric vehicle, truck, or van on the go or while parked, adding 15 to 30 miles of range per day. Easy to install on any vehicle roof. Harnesses clean solar energy to extend your EV's driving range without plugging in. Perfect for eco-conscious drivers looking to maximize mileage and reduce charging stops. Charge smarter, drive farther. DartSolar keeps you moving with the power of the sun. Your ride just got a whole lot greener. Tired of playing the back-it-up guessing game every time you hitch a trailer? Here's your cheat code. The iBall Pro Wireless Hitch Camera. It's a magnetic, wireless camera that sticks to the back of your vehicle and shows you exactly where your hitch needs to go, so you can line it up perfectly on the first try. You get a 120-degree field of view, a 3.5-inch LCD monitor, and signal strength strong enough to beam clear footage through metal, up to 100 feet away. It's weatherproof, submersible, and mounts in seconds with no tools, no stress, no swearing. Basically, it's like giving your truck eyes where it matters most. And if your weekend plans involve trailers, boats, or wrangling livestock, this little guy might just become your favorite backseat driver. Got a tight garage but big car projects? Here's the Autolift UP&DOWN3000, a compact yet mighty lifter that lets you raise your car quickly and easily, without any bulky hydraulic systems. A lightweight, mechanically operated car jack designed for home garages and pro shops alike. It lifts your vehicle safely by any chassis hardpoint, sill braces, front or rear axle, with just a handheld drill or manual crank. No wiring, no hydraulics, just pure mechanical muscle. Resistant to water and moisture, it's perfect for quick tire swaps, common repairs, or even hand washing your car. Plus, it doubles as a sleek display tool for showrooms or trade fairs, making car presentations and decal applications a breeze. Small but mighty, the Autolift UP&DOWN3000 is your garage's new best friend. Fast, versatile, and smart. For once, lifting a car seems to be pretty elegant and hassle-free. Every single video recorded on a dashcam is pure insanity, which is why the QROV dashcam doesn't just record, it sees everything. This isn't your dad's old-school windshield cam. The QROV is a full-blown 360-degree surveillance beast, front, cabin, and rear, giving you a whopping 510-degree full-view coverage. It's basically the bodyguard your car deserves. This dash cam records in stunning 5K quality, like movie-level sharpness. It captures the front and cabin in crisp 2560 by 1440, and the rear camera holds its own at 1080p. It uses a Sony Starvis sensor, which is basically like night vision but way better. Plus, with live GPS tracking and 4G LTE, you can check on your car from anywhere. The parking watchdog mode means it's always on guard, even when you're not around. It also has a built-in G sensor and an SOS emergency trigger, so if anything happens, you've got solid proof. Oh, and it's powered by USB Type-C, because in 2025, no one's dealing with micro USB anymore. This thing is less of a dash cam and more of a surveillance command center on wheels. Whether it's hit and runs, valet tomfoolery, or just peace of mind, the QROV's got your back, front, and cabin. You never know when tire pressure drops will catch you off guard, but WolfBox has a secret weapon for that. MegaFlow 24, a compact tire inflator that's always within reach and gets you back on the road in minutes. You can choose a preset mode for a car, motorcycle, bike, or ball, but for my SUV, I set the pressure manually. Then I just connect it, and it takes care of the rest. The inflator automatically stops when the job is done. No need to guess or check manually. The 12,000 mAh battery is powerful enough to top off all 4 tires on a single charge, making it perfect for routine pressure adjustments. But if you need more, just plug it into your car's 12-volt socket and keep going without interruption. It's more than just an inflator. The built-in flashlight helps in low-light situations, whether you're checking under the hood or inflating at night. It also doubles as a power bank, and its compact size makes it easy to carry in my scooter bag so I can charge my phone on the go and top off my tires when needed. It's a must-have beyond just the car. Check out the link in the video description. Need a steady, remote-controlled eye that sticks anywhere? Here's the Spydabot Scorpion, a compact wireless gimbal built for seamless thermal scanning on the move. Quite literally, it's a 3-axis wireless remote-controlled gimbal with magnetic feet. Sounds fancy, right? It's designed to securely hold and maneuver your camera or thermal monocular from your mobile phone app. So this thing has super precise 3-axis leveling, which means your footage stays smooth and steady no matter what. It uses a magnetic mount that sticks really well to any surface, especially vehicles, so you don't have to mess around with any complicated setups or modifications. You can control it wirelessly through a smartphone app, which is super convenient, and it has a quick release system, so you can easily take the camera off whenever you want. Plus, the battery lasts a long time, and the whole thing is built in Australia with a tough housing designed to handle rough terrain. Basically, it's made to keep up with all kinds of adventures without breaking a sweat. Spydabot Scorpion keeps your expensive gear safe and steady, turning your vehicle into a high-tech scanning command center. Smooth, simple, and smart. Ever hit the gas and feel like your car's stuck in slow motion? Pedal lag is the worst, but this little gadget fixes it. Pedal Commander is a wireless throttle controller that plugs into your car's accelerator system to speed up how fast your engine responds when you press the pedal. You get 4 driving modes: Eco for saving fuel, City for smooth starts, Sport for quick bursts, and Sport Plus if you want to unleash the beast. Plus, you control it all from your phone, no complicated wires, and it installs in 15 minutes flat. Basically, it's like giving your car a caffeine boost, without the jitters or spilled coffee. Want a supercomputer in your car without breaking the bank? The Bluebox Co-pilot is an affordable brain for your ride. It's an in-vehicle computer designed to run everything from autopilot features to automatic mileage tracking, all packed into one tiny powerhouse. Not just smart, it's budget-friendly and versatile. Whether you're dreaming of semi-self-driving or just want easy mileage logging, this gadget's got you covered. Want to feel like a road ninja and be steps ahead of the road? Say hello to ESCORT Max, your new driving sidekick. It's a top-tier radar detector packed with the latest tech to warn you of distractions, speed cameras, and even laser guns. Also, you can drive smarter and safer. Now, with less false alerts, it gives you the quiet and peaceful ride you dream of. With GPS-powered speed camera alerts, next-level false alarm filtering, and a community-driven app where drivers share real-time warnings, ESCORT Max turns your car into a radar-detecting fortress. Plus, whether you're a chill cruiser or a speed demon, there's a model just for you. Almost like having a sixth sense for the road, except it's technology, and it actually works. Let's be real. Cleaning the inside of a refrigerated trailer or shipping container by hand sounds like a punishment. That's where the Istobal HW'INTRAWASH rolls in when the world needed it the most, like a mechanical hero with a pressure hose. It's an automatic interior washing and disinfection machine built specifically for refrigerated trailers and shipping containers. Think car wash, but for the inside of your 16-meter-long transport beast. Manual cleaning? Gone. This thing cuts cleaning time by up to 60%, uses high-pressure jets to blast out dirt, and applies disinfectant with pinpoint precision, hitting just the right concentration, quantity, and contact time to keep your fleet compliant and spotless. In short, the HW'INTRAWASH is like having a sanitation robot that doesn't miss a spot, doesn't get tired, and doesn't leave any mess behind. Perfect for people who care about hygiene and getting the job done fast. Ever wonder what kind of muscle it takes to tow a car off a curb, out of a ditch, or off someone's lawn after a late-night shortcut? Miller's light-duty wreckers are tow trucks designed to swiftly handle problem parking with ease. Built for recovery and towing jobs that don't need a monster rig, these wreckers are compact, powerful, and all about precision. Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of roadside rescue. Hydraulic lift arms, multi-angle booms, winches that mean business, and enough hauling strength to move everything from sedans to stubborn SUVs. Designed for quick hookups and tight urban maneuvers, they're all about speed and control without compromising brawn. So next time you see one of these roll up, just know, it's not here to flex, it's here to fetch. And chances are, someone's about to get a very expensive lesson in no parking. Wireless trailer brakes sound downright stupid, but they're stupidly good. This gadget lets you control your trailer's brakes right from your phone, just like managing your playlist, but for braking. This is the Echo Mobile Trailer Brake Controller. It plugs into your vehicle's 7-way socket and wirelessly links to your smartphone via Bluetooth. No tools, no wires, no dashboard surgery. The real magic here is that you can tweak your brake settings, monitor activity, and get live status updates all from an app while still taking calls. It even stores multiple trailer profiles, so switching setups is a breeze. Oh, and it's got a built-in motion sensor that helps deliver smoother stops, rain or shine, thanks to a sealed weather-resistant shell that laughs in the face of mud. It's kind of like giving your trailer brakes a brain upgrade and a raincoat. Who knew towing could be this techy? Anyone who knows a Ute knows the struggle of hauling gear without a proper setup. Say hello to the GTWORKS Ute tray, your new best mate for work and play. This tough-as-nails tray replaces your Ute's standard bed, giving you a flat, sturdy surface that's built to handle everything from tools to weekend adventures. Made from heavy-duty materials, it's designed to resist rust and rough use, so it stays looking sharp no matter what you throw at it. Plus, the clever design lets you secure your load tight and safe, so nothing goes flying off when you hit the dirt roads. If your Ute's tray could talk, it'd beg for this upgrade. Practical, rugged, and ready for whatever you need to haul. What more could you want? Ever wish you could track your car like a secret agent? Here's the Spytec plug-in GPS car tracker, the easy-to-use gadget that instantly turns your car into a high-tech tracking device, no setup or wiring needed. Just plug it into your vehicle's port, fire up the app, and boom, you're getting real-time updates every 5 seconds. That's right, every 5 seconds you'll know where your car is, how fast it's going, and even if someone's messing with it. Plus, it works worldwide, so whether you're cruising the city or road tripping abroad, Spytec's got your back. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car, sending instant alerts for movement, vibration, ignition, or even if someone tries to unplug it, with SMS, email, and push notifications. And all the juicy travel history, unlimited and totally free. If you've ever wanted to be a bit James Bond, this little gadget is your ticket. Just don't expect it to make you look cooler in traffic. So, you want a car or maybe you want an office. Good news is you can have a car that could double as your office, or even your chill-out zone. The Caro stand and table might just be the closest thing to a magic trick for your ride. This clever setup turns your steering wheel into a sleek workstation or table, letting you mount your laptop, tablet, or keyboard at just the right angle. Unlike those bulky, one-size-fits-none car desks, this Duo fits most steering wheels and stays rock solid. No wobbling while you type out that urgent email or snack on the go. Whether you're a road warrior needing a mobile office, a camper craving some workspace in the wild, or just someone who spends a lot of time in their car, Caro transforms your vehicle interior into a private, comfy hub. Why settle for just carrying a spare tire when you can carry your whole adventure? The UltraSwing Mega Fit is a heavy-duty, swing-out spare tire hitch mount designed for full-size trucks, vans, and SUVs. It lets you haul a spare tire up to 40 inches, bikes, a camp table, and more, all while keeping your rear hatch accessible. It's got a handy swing-out design that makes it super easy to get to your tailgate or rear hatch without hassle. You can fit big tires on it, up to 40 inches, thanks to the adjustable and removable wheel plate. There's even a built-in offset swing hitch, which means you can throw on a bike rack or extra gear without any issues. The UltraLatch system makes sure everything opens and closes smoothly and securely. It also comes with a license plate light kit, and the whole thing is built tough with anti-wobble construction so it can handle serious off-roading. It works with both 2-inch and 2.5-inch hitches, and best of all, it's made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty. Why should the party stop when you leave the house? With HitchBoom, it follows you. HitchBoom is the very first Bluetooth speaker that you mount right onto your vehicle's hitch, turning your truck, SUV, or van into an outdoor sound system. It's made for all kinds of adventures, whether you're tailgating and want that stadium atmosphere, camping and want great sound under the stars, off-roading and want to play music loud while you ride, or working on a job site and want to keep the vibe going strong. This speaker locks right into your vehicle's hitch, so it's super stable. No wobbling or tipping. The sound quality is awesome, with deep bass and clear treble, so your music actually sounds good outdoors. It's also weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about rain, dust, or bumpy trails. You can connect it via Bluetooth to pretty much any device, and the battery lasts up to 12 hours, which is perfect for a full day out. Best part? There's no complicated setup. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. It's not just a speaker, it's your new outdoor hype machine. HitchBoom. Lock it in, turn it up, and make the world your soundstage. Tired of feeling every bump and shimmy through your steering wheel? This little arm might just smooth things out. The JS1 Front Balance Arm is a suspension upgrade that improves your vehicle's handling by balancing the front-end movement, making steering more stable and precise. It's designed to absorb shocks better and reduce that annoying front-end wobble, so your drive feels smoother even on rough roads. Plus, it's a simple bolt-on upgrade. No major overhauls needed. Think of it as your car's personal masseuse, calming all those road jitters so you can enjoy the ride. Ever wish your car smelled as fresh as a spring morning without ever needing to plug it in? This solar-powered air freshener might just do the trick. It's a solar-powered, rotating car diffuser that uses sunlight to spread fresh scents around your ride. No batteries, no cords, just pure sunshine magic. This little gadget spins automatically when it catches sunlight, sending your choice of lemon or ocean breeze aromas in all directions. Plus, it doubles as a cool dashboard accessory with its sleek metal design. Bonus, it even helps reduce frost buildup on your windows in winter. Talk about multitasking. Who knew solar power could make your car smell this good? Fresh air and eco-friendly vibes all in one spin.